Hello everyone, iOS 18.5 has just came out in a beta, so I wanted to take a look at it on the iPhone 11 and talk about some of the changes and what this update basically brought. Now 18.4 just came out, so it's really cool that we just got a beta here. So you can see this beta was right here was about 6.64 gigabytes. So it was a pretty big size update, but this was coming from iOS 18.4. And you can see the change log wasn't really anything too big or too crazy. Now this update does bring a couple of things. Number one, this update allows you within the Mail application, it actually allows you to revert back to the older styling of your Mail app. So that is actually pretty cool. You can also turn off mail categorization if you really want to do that. So that's actually something really cool. There's also an option now within the Mail app too, which actually allows you to go ahead and hide your contact photo. So if you're trying to go through and hide a contact photo, you can go and do that now, which is actually pretty cool. Now, another really cool thing, I don't even know if this is cool or not, but you now will be able to see Apple Care options a little bit more in your face. So if you hop inside of the settings application, if you go ahead and make your way over into your general settings, as you can see this Apple Care and Warranty, it looks like this is a little bit of a newer option. So now it allows you to come into your Apple Care and Warranty option right here, and it'll allow you to go ahead and kind of see this here. So I guess it's still not working, but you can see that that is kind of the case here for the most part, which is actually something that's really cool. Now there's going to be a lot of other cool changes and tweaks that a lot of people see. So far it seems pretty stable. I haven't had too many issues. It's about the same thing as iOS 18.4 to be honest, but I'm definitely seeing improvements coming from the first version of iOS, 18. So there's definitely that. I'll keep you all posted to see what ends up happening in the future, but as of this point, that's basically how this update is holding up so far. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.